In the heart of Jakarta, a family of 5 held a dream. The Hajj, a lifelong aspiration nurtured with prayer and patience.
After all these years,
our prayers are answered.
In Makkah, before the Kaaba, words failed. A feeling overwhelming yet serene, shared with millions. From the tent city of Mina to the plains of Arafat, the day of supplication, their hearts open to the heavens. Beneath the stars of Muzdalifah, they gathered pebbles. Each toss at Jamarat, a release, a step towards clarity. Their pilgrimage complete, they circled the Kaaba one last time, hearts brimming with a unique tranquility. They returned home to Jakarta, not just with memories, but spiritually rejuvenated. The Hajj, a journey of the soul, a timeless reminder that in shared devotion, we find a unity and purpose that transcends all borders.